Hey everyone, welcome back to Yessaar Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply any design onto an image using clipping mask in Photoshop, step by step. Whether you're designing a t-shirt mock-up, branding material, or a digital artwork, this technique is super useful and easy to follow. So make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials. Let's get started. Start by going to the File menu and selecting Open. Choose your image file and click Open to load it into Photoshop. Once the image is open, go to the toolbar and select the Object Selection tool or simply press W on your keyboard. In the Mode drop-down, choose Lasso tool and draw around the area where you want to apply the design. After making the initial selection, switch to the Quick Selection tool from the toolbar to fine-tune your selection if needed. Next, press Ctrl+J Windows or Command+J Mac to copy the selected area to a new layer. Go to the Layers panel, right-click the copied layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Then save this file in PSD format for later use. Now, go to the File menu again and open the design file you want to apply. Once it opens, adjust the opacity and transform the design so it fully covers the copied layer area. In the Layers panel, select the design layer, right-click on it and choose Make Clipping Mask. Once the clipping mask is applied, go to the Filter menu, select Distort, and then click Displace. Set both horizontal scale and vertical scale to 10, then click OK. When prompted, select the PSD file you saved earlier, the Smart Object, and click Open. With the design layer still selected, go to the Layers panel and change the blending mode to Multiply. At the bottom of the Layers panel, click the Add Layer Style icon and choose Blending Options. Use the underlying layer sliders to blend the design naturally with the base image. Your design is now complete. Don't forget to save your final document. You've just learned how to apply a design using a clipping mask in Photoshop step by step. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Yessaar Tech, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Got any questions or tutorial requests? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.